Bingx Copy Trading Tutorial. Copy trading is a form of trading where a trader copies the trades of another successful trader. In this way, the copy trader can benefit from the experience and skills of the successful trader, without having to spend the time and effort to learn how to trade on their own. Bingx is a copy trading platform that allows users to copy the trades of successful traders. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Bingx for copy trading. Sign up for a Bingx account. To use Bingx, you need to sign up for an account. You can do this by visiting the Bingx website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Follow the instructions to create your account. If you have not registered for a Bingx account, I have a link to register under the description and comments of this video for you. Fund your Bingx account. Once you have created your account, you need to fund it with money. You can do this by clicking on the deposit button and following the instructions to transfer funds to your Bingx account. Browse the list of traders. Bingx provides a list of successful traders that you can choose to copy. You can browse through the list and look at the performance of each trader to decide who you want to copy. Choose a trader to copy. Once you have found a trader that you want to copy, you can click on the copy button next to their name. You will be asked to specify the amount of money that you want to allocate to copying that trader. Start copying the trader. Once you have allocated funds to copying a trader, Bingx will automatically copy their trades for you. You can monitor the performance of the trader and adjust your allocation as needed. Withdraw your profits. If the trader that you are copying is successful, you will start to see profits in your Bingx account. You can withdraw these profits by clicking on the Withdraw button and following the instructions. It is important to note that copy trading carries risks, and it is important to choose a trader with a proven track record of success. Additionally, it is important to monitor the performance of the trader that you are copying and adjust your allocation as needed.